Hello again, Peregrinos. As promised, here's my review of the Soul Escape Bivvy from Adventure Medical. This is an item that no matter where I'm going in the world, I take one with me. It's got so many uses for its weight that it's golden. It's only slightly raining. It's about 10 degrees C. As you can see, it's ideal as a really lightweight summer sleeping bag. It can add about 5 to 8 degrees, I'd say, if used as a sleeping bag liner. In the same way you can use it as a sleeping bag cover if you get caught outside or something, keep the water off. This one's the middle one, just the bivvy. It comes in a light and a pro. The normal one has got a drawstring and a hood. I like to cinch it up just around my shoulders, just around my neck, keeping my head free, and it keeps it kind of keeps all the heat in that way. There's a zip for quick release at the side. There is a light version. It's about 80 grams lighter, but it comes without the drawstring and without the hood. And I think it's worth the 80 grams for those, just for the extra warmth. Here I am doing the water test. It's been chucking it down with rain. I've left this out in the rain, and just to make sure, inside we've put a toilet roll. And as you can see, the toilet roll has survived. It's nice and dry, so that just shows not only is this going to help you if you get caught out and about, it's also great inside your pack as a kind of a dry bag. Not 100% proof dry bag, but it's certainly giving itself another use there. Dead easy to roll up. You can either stuff it in the bottom of your bag, if it's on a hot day. If you're short of space, you can roll it up dead easy, put it in its bag that it comes in. It's a bit bigger than the size of a can of Coke, really. There you go, that's the Soul Escape Bivvy. Please do like and subscribe if I'm of any use to you with this stuff. It really will help me get more and more content out. And again, thanks for watching. Buen Camino, everyone.